My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site johnwirch.com. This is a deceptive site that claims to be the message from Windows support, but this information is totally faulty. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. There are certain hackers who stand behind such pop-ups, and these pop-ups quote this fake Windows support number +1 802 449 4310. This is a fake number. It is not associated with Windows or Microsoft. There are certain hackers who stand behind these pop-ups, so don't trust them and don't call this fake Windows support number. I recommend that you just leave this page, and I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.